Hi, in the first part of this episode, we covered adding virtual systems and components to our VSNext environment. In the second part of this episode, we will complete the basic virtual system configuration through the WebUI with removing components and a few other routines. Let's go back to the Network Interfaces section, where we can see the list of available interfaces has shrunk since we assigned some of these interfaces to our VSs. They are not in this list anymore. Moving up to the virtual system to review the interfaces on the vSwitch, we can see that each logical interface has its own ID and to which VS it's connected. Let's see how it looks in VS2. We can see the logical interfaces that are assigned, each one to its own vSwitch. This is a good place to talk about naming convention of the VS logical interfaces, the warp links with their WRP name tag for a virtual gateway. Each warp link will have a number from 1 to 64 or from 64 to 128 and so on in 64 bits jumps. vSwitch interfaces have a J appended, so are WRPJ plus the number. In the previous episode, we went over the steps to add and remove interfaces. Let's see how it looks with actual objects. We will start by removing an interface from VS10, Ethernet 5. So let's open the relevant object of the VS or vSwitch, choose the Ethernet 5 interface we want to remove, and press the Remove and OK buttons. For the opposite action, let's open another virtual system, VS1 this time, and click Add Interface. You can see that Ethernet 5 is free now, so choose it, click Add, and press OK. What we essentially did here, if you think about it, is not just a remove and add, it's a full interface reassignment. As you saw, moving an interface from one virtual system to another is a simple action that combines removing an interface from the VS it's currently assigned to and then adding it from the interface list where it will show as available once more to the other VS that needs it. A reminder, these actions are possible only on the primary VS0. If you want to review a different virtual system, go to the Virtual System drop-down menu at the top of the screen, click on it and choose the one you want to open. You won't be able to perform any changes on the VSNext environment, only changes specific to the virtual gateway itself. To delete a VS or vSwitch, you need to be in the Virtual Systems tab. Choose the virtual system you want to delete and use the Delete button in the main screen. The system will ask for a textual confirmation. Note that only if you type yes, the action will be carried out. Any other word will not do the trick. Then click Apply and OK. The VS interfaces are associated with the switch, and we can see the same name of interfaces in the VS and in the vSwitch as well. The only difference is the J appended to the vSwitch name. This is the end of the episode. We completed a VSNext configuration, understanding the different components, their relationship, and how to manipulate them to fit any network plan. In the next episode, we will do the same, only through command line interface. So if that's your preferred mode of operation, stick around. Thank you for watching and see you soon.